What is up? It's your boy Willie King here, back again, another video. And today we're gonna do a review on this keyboard. Yes, it's the Razer Keyboard. You get with the cushions here, and it has the Razer switches. And I'm gonna show you how they sound. They sound amazing. I mean, they're a little bit too loud when I game, but that's fine. Let me have it this way. I can't press the space bar because otherwise the video will end. So, let's crash. And you have these right here too. And then you have some, I don't know what these are for. Yeah, I'm actually getting a new keyboard like in 6 weeks. I bought it. It's the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Yeah, I think I need a smaller keyboard, but this is perfect for like other people. But this is just, see my mouse here? It hits this all the time. But it's fine. See, plenty of space, but like usually hits that, and it's annoying. But yeah, it arrives in 6 weeks. Yeah, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.